I didn't expect that. At least somebody with some snap to come out here and compliment you on your plane, you know.
Yeah.
Try to back out your way. It's hovering.
Yeah, it is. It sure is.
I told you to hover. I just wouldn't do it too close to the ground.
No. Here, I'll come in and land. I'll let you fly it if you want.
Nah, I'm good. I don't fly another man's airplane unless I'm trying to save it. It was just kind of my pleasure buying you the batteries and stuff. It's your birthday. You deserve it.
Got a jog or something?
Well, if you have to, you get plenty of room to put it in somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
It's just going to get it. It's gonna be a bitch.
I'm just glad it's not windy today.
Damn
Usually
good day
the
to
wind.
fly.